Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I'm continuing my foray into the world of pixel craft and mosaic craft and trying out different craft activities that use a process of building up an image using tiny things. I was on the Temu website and I noticed this particular one, so I thought I'd give it a try. It was £5.35. I'm sure you can probably find similar kits on other websites and stores. This says Bead Craft Masterpiece Kit, sense of achievement. I got the sunflower kit, so let's have a look and see. It might be rubbish. We will see. Okay, it looks quite simple, she says, in theory. Right, okay. Well, if nothing else, I can keep this pattern and use it to make some diamond painting stuff. That being bent is going to annoy me. Hopefully that will lay down flat eventually. So this is our pattern. And oh, we've got, is that to go on? Yeah, so this provides us with kind of a frame. We will, it doesn't, we have no instructions, so yeah, I think that's going to go that side and that side, and that's going to help to keep it flat and give us a sort of a frame idea. And then we've got our colours here in what look a bit like hammer beads or perler beads. But the way that this is going to work is that the beads will be popped into each of these spaces. Let me show you on the box. That's probably a better picture. There you go. So yeah, so we're gonna sort of pop the beads into the gaps and build up the picture. It makes it sound very easy. Beads snap into flexible canvas. Follow the pattern. So yeah, let me get a couple out and we'll see how easy it is to get started. I haven't planned to actually work on this today, but right. There's the lack of instructions is somewhat frustrating, although it's just a matter of using context clues so that I can see that pushes onto there. Yeah, that fits on there, and then this is going to go on top. Nope, that one's going to go on top.
Gotcha.
Oh, do you remember when I said it was easy? Okay.
Come on. Right, lined up.
That is immediately laying flatter, which is nice. But it does seem, if you look at the box, like there's quite a few to choose from. They're all kind of, you know, your basic pixel art, but I think this might be something, particularly if you have got children who, you know, if you're a diamond painter and you've got children who are showing an interest, this might be an intermediate craft that you can have a go at. Right. Interestingly, they've given us colour codes and things and numbers of colours, but there isn't, these are in mixed bags, so who knows. That may be down to the cheapness of the kit and the fact that, you know, it was just £5, and therefore you're not going to get perfect stuff every time. The other thing is that I don't know whether to start at the very edge or not. It shows that you start at the edge, but do you? I don't know. Right, let's just... There's going to be a lot of blue up in this top corner. We'll have a go and we'll see. Sorry, so far you've just seen me faff about. Just going to grab a diamond painting tray to chuck these into for a minute. And so it's a dark blue. Yeah, there we go. And it just pops in like that. Again, I would have liked some sort of idea as to how many gaps I need to leave. I could go and count all the spaces. I don't want to do that. I guess the other option is to start in the middle and work outwards. Which might be an option. I am going to have a think about how I want to move forward with this, just because I don't want to do lots and then realise that I'm going to end up with a gap down the bottom. So, yeah, remains to be seen. It's certainly, once I know where I'm starting and how I'm working, it's going to be easy. You can just tick off the squares as you go, a bit like working on a counted cross stitch. I like that it will be visible, the pattern from both sides. It's the sort of thing you could hang outside because it's all plastic, so it's going to stand up to, you know, a bit of weathering. Yeah, for £5 I think it's a cool craft kit. I will work on it, finish it, and get back to you to let you know. Maybe I'll do this in the next live stream, possibly. I can't remember what's already on the calendar, but yeah, possibly for the next live stream I can sit and poke beads and we'll see. But let me know down below if you've worked on anything like this before. This was the first time I'd seen anything like this, but it caught my eye because I'd been doing the mosaic craft, which I love. I will pop a link to my mosaic craft video up the top. I was really enjoying that, and this caught my eye, and I thought, you know, it's another pixel craft. Let's have a look at it. And for £5, I think it's all right. Particularly if you're buying it for a gift for somebody, I think it's okay. It is definitely lacking in the instructions side of things. There is none. So it's all just guesswork. There is a video on the website, but that's just more showing off the finished thing. So yeah, let me know what you think. I'm going to leave this here. Thank you as always for watching. Please do all those YouTubey stuff. It really does help the channel. I'm trying to grow the channel a little bit this year, and I can't do that without your guys' help. So big thank you, of course, to those of you that support me over on Patreon and the wonderful members here on YouTube. You guys are fabulous, and if anyone would like to join them, it is from just 99p a month. 99p outer circle level gets you early access to my videos, and I will send you some stickers no matter where in the world you are. So I'm going to leave this here. Thank you very much for joining me, and until next time, stay crafty.